guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and today I have a package from a new to me Etsy shop. It is called CP Quilting. So let's find out what's inside. I think once you see it, you're going to know exactly why this was on my must-have list. Now I will say that this is a fabric line, and it's one that is selling out really, really quickly right now. Oh, they sent a little thank you card. It says, "Thank you for your order. We hope you enjoy your beautiful selections. Happy sewing." And it's signed by Michelle, and I think that name might be Irene. I'm not very sure. I'm sorry. I got that wrong. All right. Now, on to the kids' stuff. It's all wrapped up and bundled. Can you tell what it is yet? The colors are peeking through. Ooh. Now, as I said, this line has been selling out very quickly everywhere. And I don't know if there will be future shipments. Sometimes if the line sells really well, they print more, but not always. All nice in this tissue paper. Aww. So they've also bundled it up with this cute little bit of tulle. And as you can see, this is the Strawberry Lemonade line by, I think it's Sherry and Chelsea. Now this is a fat quarter bundle, and it is just beautiful. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. And this is the full fat quarter bundle, and oh goodness. I'm going to open it up so that you can see what each of these look like, because this line, I keep reading everywhere, it is much more beautiful in person than what it is online. All right. So we've got this beautiful, it's almost a corally red, but it's definitely still red. We've got these little circles. Oh, this one is so sweet. I love this. Of course, if you're familiar with their fabrics, then you are familiar with this kind of corally pink color that they have. You know, I love this one. It's got some of those strawberries in it. Oh, goodness. Do any of you guys have this line yet? Have you picked it up? I was looking at it from several different places, and I really wanted to feature a little Etsy shop, and because I like to give them a little bit of love too. I've done the whole Etsy thing before, and it's hard to get seen. And got this very small gingham. Oh, this is such a fun color. It's like limeade. It's yellow and green at the same time. It's so pretty. I love it. I don't know. Would I call this chartreuse? Maybe. It's not quite chartreuse, I don't think. But it's a little bit more toned down than chartreuse, but it's still very bright and pretty. Not this though. This is orange, and this is, I would call like a sherbet color. It's so pretty. Another small gingham. Oh, and then we've got this kind of aqua blue colorway, and we got that again in the circles. These are kind of like little fairy rings. I really like this particular fabric. Oh, and then we've got the one with the little strawberries on it again. Oh my gosh. So pretty. It's so stinking cute. Ooh, have we seen this one yet, or is this a new one? I think this might be a new pattern on here. Maybe? I don't see any others like that yet, so maybe. Another one of these ginghams. Oh, I love this green. It's very true to what's showing up on camera, I think. Right there. That's the color. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. And the little strawberries look very pink on this. Love that. And we've got the little daisy one. Oh, and this guy again. I think those might be little butterflies between the flowers. Kind of look like that. Maybe little hearts. What do you think? Butterflies or hearts? Making them again. Oh, and we're into the whites. So beautiful. Oh, and our little fairy ring colored in the white. Very fun, but not overwhelming. Like, I love this one. So bright and summery and beautiful. Oh yes, very beautiful. And this is super cute. Couldn't you just see a little girl's shirt out of this? That's so lovely. Ooh. Is this the first time we're seeing this one? No, they also had this in the chartreuse kind of color too. I like that. That's pretty. And then we've got a little flower toss too. And these are what I'm trying to figure out if they're butterflies or hearts. But maybe they're just little leaf pears. I'm not sure. What do you think? All right, that was all of them. And there are 30 fabrics in that. Now, I will say that when I purchased this, their listing does say 30, and the actual line, I believe, comes with 31. I'm not sure which one is left out of this, but I really feel like I'm not missing it. So I don't think that it's bad to get that. And their price was significantly lower for being missing just that one fat quarter, which I could always pick up somewhere else if it really bothered me and I wanted to get that one missing fat quarter. I'm guessing they couldn't get a hold of the actual factory cut bundles, so they sold out of them, so they started cutting them from their yardage, and there must have been one bolt that they couldn't get a hold of or something. But they were honest in their listing. They did say that, and everything that they said would be here is here, and I love it, and it is packaged beautifully. Don't forget to check out their Etsy shop, and thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye. Now, this is a full pre-cut, a full, goodness.